All right. Grand rising, kings and queens. We are here from the Creatures Connect this morning. I wanted to come on a little bit early because we got some news that's about to happen at 8:30, about 7 minutes. CPI, what up, Lou?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yeah.
Grand rising.
CPI, 7 minutes, 6 minutes, man.
CPI 8:30. We also got jobless claims report as well. But we know what the main catalyst is.
Yep.
CPI.
Let me send out some invites.
All right, as you're sending out invites, I will give a quick rundown of the rest of the day. So I'm gonna go through all the news and events. So as we mentioned, we got CPI at 8:30. We got jobless claims at 8:30. Natural gas report at 10:30. So that's after the New York session or the cash open. Crude oil report 30 minutes after that. At 11 a.m. Followed by the Treasury statement at 2 p.m. So lots of news and events today, but we should focus on the Air 30 news, which is in 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
Let's get it.
6 minutes. So this is day 15 of the road to funded. I'm feeling good, man. Got my walk in. It was extra hot this morning, but it was extra windy too. But yeah, I feel good, man. When I sweat, I feel good when I sweat.
It's extra cold right now.
Oh damn, I'm sorry to hear that, man. Man.
It's all good.
Sorry to hear that, man. But I ain't even prepared, man. I ain't got my water or nothing. Hold on.
It sounds like a news event you're not gonna trade.
So, actually, I am trading CPI.
Unless you already at gold. All right. Okay.
No, I ain't at gold. This trade I'm in now is my only trade I've taken. Because I had I have a bias. I'm kind of short bias on CPI. I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm short bias on CPI. We got 7 minutes. We got 3 minutes. The market has been moving up all night. Typically, man, when things like this happen, from what I've seen on how the markets work, not even how the markets work, what I see. So what I see and what have been making sense to me is that hold on one second. Let me let me set this other stuff up real quick. Was Nick? I got you. Okay, there, 2, go. Down there. 4, 2, 1, go. All right, so yeah, so from what I have seen in these markets, man, is that, you know, typically the market ran down and made lows yesterday, but then they also ran right back up and made new highs. So these markets has been really bullish. And when I say bullish, that means that there's been a lot of people buying to go to the upside, right? It's a lot of stuff going on overseas that affects these markets as well. So it's kind of hard to really gauge what's really going on. But you know, what we do as traders is we try our best to have the best fundamental analysis that we can. But we got like a couple seconds before CPI about to happen, and y'all gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all real time on how this shit affects the markets. If I can get it quick enough. Bam, this is the NASDAQ. So we're gonna see what's happening. They've been struggling to get higher than 15,448, which is typically 15,450, which is a psychological number. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what they're trying to do. Couple seconds, it's about to go off.
Apologies, something happened to my phone. Let's go.
There you go. Almost. Look like a triple top here.
Order filled. Top filled.
That was crazy, murder.
Order filled.
Triple top was right.
Order filled.
Triple top. As you can see, that's what the news do. And this is on a 5-minute chart. So that's the news for you, man. That's what they do. Exactly what happens. Quick movement. Even though, honestly, it really didn't move that much. Typically, you know, from what we're used to seeing with CPI. Yeah, they didn't really move how I thought they was gonna move.
I mean, I would say they moved. That was kind of a big move. That ain't the 2020, 2021, 2022 CPI.
I mean, but the market only moved 51. You know what I'm saying? Like they don't. The market is they only moved 51 points today. Period. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
The NASDAQ will.
With the ES move.
But they
Order filled.
the ES move. Hold on. They dropping now though.
Eesh.
They definitely dropping now. They just made a new low.
Mm-hmm.
So really just about how you play it, man. How you play it. Trying to see where they want to go, where they trying to go, so on and so forth. So
Yep.
I'm gonna go to a 1-minute chart to see if we can.
Mm-hmm. Yep. But yeah, overall CPI definitely it was, as I just saw someone say, it was tamed.
You said tamed?
It It was tamed.
Order filled.
Tamed and contained.
So typically people like to see like to play the move, and then people like to play the reaction as well.
Mm-hmm.
So it really just depends on how you playing it. Well, we about to trail.
Right. Yep.
Yep.
Here a trail.
You already know.
Let's go.
You already know.
So I know you already up something crazy.
No, I was actually down.
Oh, okay. Get right back.
Yeah, I
to
was
it.
actually down. I just came back. So
There you go.
yeah, man. For the most part, I mean, that's where we at with it.
Order filled.
They acting like they trying to push lower, but you know, we'll see.
We will see. How much have they moved so far?
65 points.
And this is the Daki?
The Daki. 65 points, man. They ain't, you know, ain't really making no noise for real.
That's how it be.
All right, so we got that out the way, man. Let's get into what we do. All right, so today is October 12th, 2023. This is day 15 of the Road to Funded. We'll be taking evaluation account from taking evaluation account from purchasing it from evaluation stage to the funded environment, and from the funded environment we go to pulling the check. And I want to do this whole process live so everybody can see how this go. So yeah, that's where we at with it. We got some fuel. Let's go. Yes, sir.
Top filled.
Let's go.
Leave a comment, man. Somebody leave a comment, like, thumbs up, something. Let's get this going, man. Strategies.
So crazy how them supply zones work.
Yep. Came right up to the supply zone, man, and got knocked down. Got knocked down. Supply zone. This is my supply zone up here. It's my supply zone up here. This is demand zones, but these demand zones, they're a little bit discolored because they've been broken. Once the demand zones get broken, they get a darker color of where they're actually at. Markets is falling now. They get darker. Oh man. Yeah, they dropping.
Yeah, I think the market is now digesting that 3.7% year over year increase in CPI. So
I mean, to be honest,
seeing it
man,
now.
like after all that running up yesterday,
Yep, it was bound to happen.
yesterday, and these last
Yep.
couple days, yeah, it's bound to happen. Definitely bound to happen.
Bound to happen. So, and I know we've said this before, but I think the people need to understand that news, yes, the news is a catalyst for making these movements, but these things was already in the works. They just using a news or an event to move what they need to move. And it also attracts other market participants for liquidity purposes.
Yep.
So that's what it is.
Either you're gonna be the shark and eat, or you're gonna get eaten. What up, Ty? What up?
What's up, Ty?
Let's see. Go back to the 5 minutes. Yeah, the market the NASDAQ only moved 86.5 points so far right now. Which did create a gap from yesterday's close to the price where it's at now. So, I mean, we can look for price to possibly get back to the close. Look like they trying to buy it up now.
Mm-hmm.
Or people is taking profits.
Yeah, what you just said, it's not even out of the ordinary. Like someone that's not really a trader would look at this chart and say,
Order submitted.
they can't make a new high, but it's definitely possible.
Hell yeah. Definitely possible. All right, what is that? Yeah, definitely possible. So we got, we had that news that, the market is still reacting off of the news. So we just got to sit and wait to see what, which direction they want to go in. Do the people from yesterday want to take profits or what? Or do they want to continue to take profits because they made a lot of money, or they bought it up a lot and let it run up? So this is where they take profits at. So, what do I want to say? I should have been button on. It's all good though. But so let me see something here. But yeah, so like I say, we are on day 15, road to funded. Take this account to where it need to be. And that's that. All right, so let's look at this. Let's look at these ranges, y'all. All right, so hold on one second. So the NASDAQ, let's take a look at the NASDAQ, right? So today the NASDAQ has only moved 86.5 points. Typically it'll move on a 20-day average about 263 and a quarter. Yesterday it went light at 164.50. It was light, but it was still running crazy. That's the crazy part about it. That's the crazy part about it. It was light movement, but it ran crazy. 164.5 points. And like I said yesterday, typically when the markets move slow like that, after running so much, they're trying to bring some type of equilibrium to the ranges, right? Because one day it was 500, the other day it was 4, 3, all these big movements. So it has to equal out. The market has to equal out, and get back close to the range of where it typically runs, right? Between 200 and 250, 300 points a day. Now, well, we got a whole list of news stuff more news that's coming out. On my chart, it's low, it's low impact, but again, like I always say, don't underestimate any news. Never underestimate any news.
Order submitted.
Because any news can be impactful extremely. So that's that. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to run it back up. This is the reaction.
Order filled.
This is the reaction, y'all. Off the news. So you play it to the bottom, then you play it to the top.
Order filled.
All right, so moving forward, we're gonna look into the ES. The ES has moved 22 points so far. Typically the ES will move about 61 and a quarter. Yesterday it went 42 and 3/4, which is really typically its range. Really typically it's range about 40, but these last couple of days it's been going nuts. So let me see. Yeah, it's been going nuts. So look at oil. Oil went crazy today as well. Oil has moved $2.21. Its typical range is about $2.62. Yesterday it went $3.40. So that's something crazy. Hopefully y'all can see that. So these are the ranges up here. Keep them up there. The YM has moved 140 points today. Its typical 20-day range is 405 points. Yesterday it went 279 points. So it's kind of trying to equal out as well. Let's see. And we got RTY, which is the Russell 2000. The Russell has moved 13.3 points. 20-day average for the Russell is 31.7. Yesterday it went 29.5. So we got Russell. The RTY is in a supply zone actually. So could we look forward to go lower? We could. There's a gap. Well, that's not really a gap. That was the news right there, but it's in a supply zone. So like I say, our expectations for that is for it to come down to an area of possible support and resistance.
Order filled.
So yeah. All right.
Order filled.
All right, let's see. And this was yesterday's, what happened right here? Yesterday's high got knocked down. Oh, this is NASDAQ I'm looking at. All right. All right. So we got about 40 minutes for this market to open. Let's see what they gonna do, what they trying to do. So I do see a area which we consider as a fair value gap in here. We'll see what they trying to do. Is that the 50%, 61.8, all that good stuff? So we're just basically sitting around waiting for the open to see what they're gonna do at the open. Then we're gonna play it how it go. Excuse me.
got my I got my daily checklist that I refer to every, my background's on there. I gotta go like this. See it. Well, that's all good. Let me see. Yeah, I got my daily checklist that I go through every day. Gotta go through the list.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It keeps you disciplined. A routine is something that a lot of wealthy and successful people have. So why not follow success? Why not?
All right, so what we missing? What we missing? What we got? We got what we got? What we got? I went through the ranges. No more news until 10:30 for oil. I mean,
Natural
10:30.
gas.
Natural gas at 10:30. Crude oil inventories is at 11.
Natural gas 10:30. And crude oil report at 11. Treasury statement at 2.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Make sure to hit the notification bell to get those alerts. And follow us on social media. Leave some comments. Let us know how we doing. We are open to the feedback.
All the markets pretty much then got closed twice.
Stop bill. Order submitted.
Whether they cashing a check. Let's go.
Trying to cash something. They want to keep moving how they moving. 38.2 rejection.
Yeah. That's a nice golden ratio rejection.
Yeah.
Yep.
Might be trying to buy it back up though.
Yeah.
At that close, yesterday's close.
That's a fact.
You don't see though.
Mm-hmm.
See what they're talking about.
In trading, there's a lot of patience, a lot of weight. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. No. One thing I wanted to mention, we always do, is that the Apex Trader Funding, they got a sale on right now. 71% off your first month, as well as the recurring months for your evaluations. There's also half price resets on right now, and that sale ends November 1st at midnight. Make sure to use the code description below and check out to take advantage of the discount.
Absolutely.
Another thing too that we like about Apex and a lot of other funding partners is that they allow you to trade multiple accounts. So If you want to trade all your accounts together and do them in groups and bunches, make sure to get the Replicanto tool that's provided by Flowbots. 20% discount code in the description as well. 10% on other items on the website. You were saying something, Chris?
Oh yeah, no, just to add to that. So for those of you all who watch this video, Flowbots is a company that created a plug-in to NinjaTrader that allows us to copy trades into multiple accounts. Apex allows you to have up to 20 accounts. I made a video yesterday. I didn't put it out just yet, but the video was basically talking about how I passed my one-up evaluation and you know, the whole process of going through signing signing the contract, the email, you know, doing the whole trust pilot, doing the whole trust pilot thing for them, doing the questionnaire, so on and so forth. So hopefully if I can get the video edited how I want to get it edited, everything will be good.
Yeah, that'll be a nice video to see.
So, ooh, that look like see this little area right here. This is something significant for me right now. Seeing this here on how they all came right here, and then they can't get past there. You know, it might be a bear, a bear flag formation.
I see a wedge.
You talking about there to there?
I see a wedge forming. If they break that bottom line,
This line right here.
yeah, we'll see. Because that's also your support spot too. So
That's support.
That's confluence. Your support spot, my trend line on the wedge. If they, now we'll see. The thing is all probability. So
Yeah. So basically, what I'm looking at is, again, I always talk about these flags, flag, but there's patterns in the market that you got to pay attention to. I didn't mean to put that there. There's patterns in the market that you got to pay attention to. So these companies, they where's my line? Is this it? No, that's not it. That's not it either. They always leave patterns, right? So is that what I'm looking for? No. So all right. So hold on one second. After all of this selling, they came back up to this golden ratio 61.8. Now they're going on a downtrend, so we can expect formation of a bear flag. Doesn't have to be exact, but that is a continuation to the downside, and we'll see it play out, see how it play out, see how they want to do.
yep.
They want to continue to the downside. The next area I'm gonna target is the low of the day, which is 1786.6. The low of the day. If it can break past this support area right here, because obviously it's been came here, boom, got bought up, came down again, got bought up, came down again. Now it's retesting this area. So if y'all got any questions, man, put some questions or comments in the comment section. I'm actually looking at the comment section right now live, so We got about 25 minutes for the market open, so we just waiting, really just sitting and chilling, just seeing what they want to do. And there you go. Now, what I want to see is I want to see this bar close below this line.
Yep.
I want to see this bar close below this line. And there you go.
There you go.
We got 19 seconds before the bar close. So that there is the bear flag formation. What happened? What?
Anything good? Anything good?
Yeah, it got me in the trade, but didn't put any ATMs on it. I have to go manual. I have to go manual. And there you go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. That's what I'm talking about. That's reading the chart. Now, you ain't gonna be right every time. Trust me, you're not gonna be right every time.
Nope.
And the goal is not to be right every time.
The goal is not to be right every time. Because then, if you got that expectation that you're always gonna be right, the second that you're not, you're gonna have a psychological response that is unfavorable. So we always gotta think in probabilities, and that's them breaking the ridge, and that's them also breaking the bear flag you just read.
Yeah.
Yep. In order to be the best trader that you can be, you gotta be able to read these type of things in real time. Gotta be at this point. Because hindsight is always 2020. So once you develop your ability to be able to read things in real time, then you're able to become a better trader and more consistent.
And to be honest, not even that. You have to be able to read it in real time and take action when you see it as well, because it's gonna come a point in time where you will see it, you will see a thing, but it's like,
yep, taking action.
Yeah, you can't take action on it because you got so much technical analysis going on. It's like, damn, what do I do? What do I do?
That analysis paralysis will kill you.
I done been there plenty of times before.
Yep. Oil new highs.
On the oil market open?
Oil market open.
Damn.
Order filled.
Let me turn my algos on. I just finished that practice.
So yeah, the oil market just opened. The oil market opens at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock a.m. All the other markets open at, I think gold opens at 8 or 8:30.
Yeah, I believe 8:20 or 8:30 the bonds. Yep. Let me actually see what did the bonds do during CPI. Oh. The bond market got clapped.
I think I'm going to a higher brick on the NASDAQ.
Yep. I'm currently on the 24-2 brick.
For NASDAQ?
For the NASDAQ. But I don't really trade NASDAQ. That's more of an anchor chart. That's more of an anchor type of thing. So if I was to trade it, I would go much lower. That's just anxious.
I'm going 18 and 4. 18 and 4. Nah. That's a little bit better. That's a little bit better.
And just a quick summary of the market so far. Oil has moved $2.39 today. Their 20-day ADR is $2.62. ES has moved 22.5 points. Their 20-day ADR is 61.25. The NASDAQ has moved 86.5. Their 20-day ADR is 263. I guess we can talk about the lot now. 141 so far. 404 is the ADR. And I know you trade the Russell as well. They moved 13.4. Their 20-day ADR is 31.6.
All right. I'm about to oh shit, 18 and 3. I'll bring y'all over to actual trading chart.
All right, cool.
Actual trading chart. So but before I do that, though, I want to look at something on the daily. I think it's something there.
Also, did you get a chance to delete your cash?
Yeah, I did.
In the tick data?
Yeah.
Yep. It took a while to load back.
Nah, it was moving pretty smooth.
All right, cool.
It was moving pretty smooth. See what we can see. Don't see any kind of fair value gaps or anything like that on the daily. We got possible support down here. The shaded line that I drew. Don't know when I drew it, but I drew it. We got this supply zone up here that was rejected. Rejected price. And when was this supply zone created? This was created on the 18th of last month. The 18th of last month. So, we're going to look to see what they want to do today. And we're going to move accordingly.
Order filled.
Man, they are slowly dripping our price pattern breaks.
Order canceled.
Yeah, for some reason. Let me see something. Gotta go manage it.
What's happening?
No, I'm just trying to see why my ATMs is not matching how they should. When I get into a trade, oh, just got an email from MES Capital. They got my account ready.
Let's get it.
The YM is at yesterday's low. Look like it may be trying to do a little bounce.
Yep.
The lower yesterday down here where this demand zone just so happened to be.
Mm-hmm. What market is that?
This is the YM. Hopefully we can get some resistance at gap close at the open. Yeah, yesterday's close, I mean. So we got about 14 minutes for this market open, y'all. Oh, I got an email back from Ninja 2 about the commissions. They said, what they said.
You talking about for your commissions, not
Yeah. Yeah. They said, what they say? What? So thank you for using NinjaTrader. To clarify, if you right-click these accounts in Accounts tabs of the Control Center and select Edit Account, is the commission template set correctly? If so, there may be an issue with the database file that houses these accounts. As a test, we recommend renaming the database. When the database is renamed, the platform will generate a new database. This test can be reversed by simply renaming the database back to the original name and removing the new database file if desired. And they gave me instructions on how to do so. I haven't done it yet, but I will. Probably after market close.
Okay.
See what they talking about. What they talking about. I think we moving to the downside a lot. I ain't gonna lie, man. I think they're gonna start taking some profits, man. To be honest.
Bias as well, because I just don't think it wasn't that reaction was muted. I think we're gonna go more to the downside before we go back up.
Yeah.
Sure.
And they already came back into the fair value gap. Like for YM, they came back into there.
Yep.
NASDAQ, they came back up in there.
Yep.
ES, same thing. Like all of these characteristics,
yep,
these markets do, they all do the same thing.
That's a fact.
Now we just gotta, if we can break the low of the day with all of these markets, they're gonna the expectation is that they're gonna drop. I ain't gonna say what they're gonna do because we don't know. We do not know what they're gonna do. These markets will do whatever they want to do. Oh yeah, let me get y'all over to the chart, man, before we get started.
Go ahead, put yours up.
So, are you was about to say something?
No. You put your chart down, so I just wanted to keep something up. So yeah. You go.
All right, so same thesis as always. We are trend trading and price action. We will be taking 2 contracts. 2 contracts on the entry, max 6 contracts total. If we got to add to a losing position, we definitely have our thesis about that. So here we are. Let me go ahead and turn the chart trader off. Let me turn on the strategy. Got the strategy. We risking $100 per trend trade. 69 there. Boom. Got that button on there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this button on now. They look like they may be trying to move somewhere, so we might be getting a little started. We might be getting started a little bit early. Turn the chart trader off because we don't need that. And we waiting. We got 9 minutes. 9 minutes, Dougie Fresh. We on. Oh. Yeah, good looking out, MES. Good way to come through for your player. For your partner. Go ahead and put these credentials in here real quick. Connection. Yes. Copy. Down. Paste. Password. Copy. Paste. Apply. Okay. All right. Good with that. Come on, y'all, break these lows. Let's go.
Man.
I'm expecting a reaction from this area, obviously, because of what it did before. So what I can do here, just looking at the YM, is see where other market participants could be at. Oh, RTY doing this thing. Not right now. Hey, my mom, I'm trading right now, baby. I'll call you back in a second, okay? Love you. Bye bye. My baby girl, ain't nothing like them. 925. 925. So where was this at? 30, 34.58. 34. Okay. So I'm looking at a 50% retracement if they wanted to. If they wanted to come back up and retrace, maybe start a bear flag to the downside. I can look for them to come up in this area, and at the worst, I can look for them to come back to this 61.8 and continue to the downside. If they break, from my eyes, if they break any one of these, they going back to the upside. But we got resistance levels as well. We got the 50%, 38.2. And if they break all of those, they really trying to go up. So that's what I'm looking at. Got 4 minutes for the market open.
Minutes. Yes, sir.
Stop fill.
Ooh. Hey, why? What you looking like over here? Oh, that was a nice bar up. Damn. But see, that's what I'm talking about though. Like that was a beautiful call right there. That was a bear flag. Came up, sold off, then continued to go down. So we still got about another 15 points for the RTY to go. So that's what I'm looking at. One minute for the open.
Order filled.
Put me in too many contracts. I don't like that.
Order submitted.
Just figured it
Order
out.
filled.
Why is it doing that? All right, took the low. So we are in the uptrend. RTY gonna continue to do this thing. Go in 2 contracts to the upside. Place the stop where it needs to be. Go on and cash them checks. Cash them checks. They want to continue to the downside. We're gonna go with them.
Order filled.
All right. Looking like RTY. Go ahead and add another one. Oh, I missed my cut. $38.2. We're gonna protect some profits here. We already know what they do up in this area.
Stop fill.
Charts off. Yeah.
All right. That's great.
Workspace. Save as. Back up. Yes.
All right, we're going in on our next 4 contracts. It don't look like they're really trying to. They trying to go higher for real. But we're gonna roll with it however it comes.
Oh. All right.
Order filled.
All right, price to stop where it need to be.
Stop fill.
I ain't never had to move my stop down so far. I mean, move my target down so far.
with you short Russell?
Yeah, big short. So it don't look like the Nasdaq trying to get over the 38.2, man. If they do, they're gonna run up.
Yep.
I'm gonna protect some profits here, just in case they want to come back. Here we go. There we go.
Stop fill.
Great trade. Great trade. Why would it put me in that?
Order fill. Stop fill.
Oh yeah, they tripping. Hold on. Peace.
Order fill. Order fill.
In and out. Yeah. We're gonna move the target down.
Back in it.
Order fill.
Back in it. It's not where it need to be. Yesterday's close. We're gonna protect here as well because we know what's right there, right? The 61.8 and yesterday's high.
Stop fill.
I'm cool with that. Damn.
Wait. Oh, okay. That don't even make it. All right. Oh, yeah, it did. 936.
Yeah, I'm getting some errors with this strategy.
That's not good.
YM is just dropping. ES dropping too. So why the Nasdaq ain't trying to follow along? Ty say, since when did you start trading RTY?
That's her baby.
Yeah. When I seen the opportunity, that's when it came to me.
Opportunities everywhere.
Missed the opportunity right there though.
Order fill. Stop fill.
What? How did that happen? Oh yeah, they bugging, man. They just changed my whole ATM, bro.
What happened?
So my whole ATM just changed to a one tick stop loss. Like, who does that?
Yeah,
all right. We're not gonna focus on that. We're gonna focus on what we need to do to get back right.
Yeah.
All right. I got a lot of charts going over here, y'all. So yeah, RTY just gave me a nice severance check.
Severance. Oh, shit. Now you're funny as hell, bro.
So NASDAQ is the only market right now that is running, that is not falling like everything else.
Right.
Uh,
I'm just trying to figure out.
so
Yep. Yeah.
hopefully they join the party.
They should.
Wait.
Order failed.
But you still got an uptrend?
Hold on real quick.
Yep.
Oh my God, RTY. Why are you doing me like that?
Damn. Can already see
Order
it.
failed.
All right, so we in 2 contracts, y'all, on the NASDAQ. They want to come break the trend. We're going to be in, I want to say 3 contracts for that.
Okay. I can't even see your trend line. Is it in the demand zone?
Yeah, it's right here.
All right. Let's get it.
Oh my God, RTY just beautiful. Matter of fact, I'm not even about to play with them no more because they didn't give up a nice check today. So
Yep.
I'm gonna be cool. Be cool like I'm being cool. It's gonna be my last trade in this account. Unless they want to continue to get the dropping.
Damn.
Yeah, we definitely ain't gonna be mad with that.
They blowing past yesterday's low.
Man.
Jeez. Where they trying to go?
Top failed.
All right, we got stopped out on that. I'm kind of conflicted a little bit because we are in a demand zone, but all the other markets is just dropping. So we just gonna play it how it come.
Yep.
RTY, baby.
Yeah. They just. This is different.
Again, shout out to Ty, man, for I'm gonna give her flowers right now because she did put me on to RTY and how it be moving. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I'm like DJ Khaled, I appreciate you.
It's a good market.
Good market, I appreciate you.
Top failed.
Oh, that's beautiful. I appreciate you. My God. Oh. All right, so we are 2 contracts in on a trend. I forgot I went to a bigger brick size, so it lessens the contracts through the calculations. Uh-oh, hold on. Get me in there. If you want to go down, we're going to add another contract.
Order failed.
All right.
What I mentioned right
Moody's
now
down there.
on the ES, we are at a potential. We're 4,400 solid dollars. That's what I'm seeing right now. Well, but it looks like they want to break.
Order failed.
Looks like they want to break.
RTY to move 35.4 points already. So what's our expectations for them? To start taking profit for everybody who was selling at some point. Unless they want to keep, giving out checks. So we're not even going to trip about that. But this NASDAQ trade, I don't know about, man, because we are in the demand zone. But like I say, all the other markets is down. NASDAQ is kind of trying to struggle to get down there. ES is down, getting down there. The YM is down there. RTY is down there. What's up with NASDAQ? Like, what's up? Come on down there. You know you want to get down there.
Wow. NASDAQ really hasn't moved.
It's moving now, though.
That's crazy. 86.
Oh yeah.
I think we've been so conditioned for the type of movements they've done in the past. They're gonna get that up. They're gonna get there.
They need to go ahead and stop playing with it.
Top fill.
What was that? Stop field where? Where was the stop field at? Who had a stop field?
Did you go to your execution tab to see the last one?
Yeah, I seen it.
Gotcha.
Top fill.
That's what we was waiting on, y'all. I'm actually waiting for a break of this man zone, to be honest. So I'm not even gonna play with them. I'm gonna protect a little bit of profit real quick, and we're gonna see what they want to do. I think they want to go down. They want to follow everybody else, but they may need to fluctuate a little bit before they do it. But if they do it, they do it. If they don't, then, you know, crying on a replay with a check.
Nothing wrong with that. Did it go?
Come on, NASDAQ, man, stop playing. Damn. Get my ass back down now. Well, make me put my music on now. Playing games with me. And this contract don't got a trail on it either, so I'm gonna manually trail this if we want to get busy to the downside. They fighting though, man. Them bulls is fighting. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna put it at the 38.2, man.
Mm-hmm.
If they wanna make up their mind, if they wanna, you know, do their thing, because I do see a possible could be a flag formation if they. Oh, also what I learned too from my looking at the chart for the flags, it don't have to always be up. It could be a downward flag situation or something like this. That's what that is.
Yeah, that's a pennant.
Pennant. Well, actually, no, that's a wedge.
What?
That's a wedge. But I want them to break this low. They break the low, and they got somewhere to go. And the next one is probably going to most likely be this support line right here.
Yep.
So if I draw a measured move from this swing high up here, I'll just do the close to the low of the day. 38.2 is my last my last sign of hope, for real. That's all I'm willing to risk. That's all I'm willing to risk. Even though the trend line is up here, but because we took profit on that the other contract, I'm only gonna risk that much for this one here. So we just gonna keep it how it is.
Makes sense.
Moving how we doing. Right now we are realized $106 in this account. $106, 50 minutes. That's a great return. Didn't do so good in one of my other accounts, but it's all good. There they go.
Yep.
But we got another opportunity to go back short. Oh, what? Oh, damn. Wrong button. All right, we get in on the next one. If they drop down again, we get in on the next one. Then I move my stop back up to
Order filled.
there we go.
All right. I'm currently in two trades right now. Oil short, ES short as well.
Oil still dropping?
They came up out they off their highs. So okay, I'm trailing now on the ES.
Order filled.
Okay. They just wait.
Target filled.
Okay. Got that little target money button off. And then we
You want to screen up? You can screen up if you want to.
Oh yeah, for sure. So what I'll do is I'll screen up on this oil trade, share screen. Come on, wait. Don't wait. Okay. Here we go. I'm trailing.
Order. Target filled.
Okay. So
Oh, you must have changed your little sounds too, huh?
yeah, I did mine last year. I didn't want to hit order cancel. Like say it hits a stop or it hits a target, it'll say order cancel. So I rather just the other way. But now the market well, crying with a check. Yep. So for me, when it came to the oil market, I missed the run up in the London session. So for me, they have already moved $2.42. They're about 20 cents off the ADR high. So for me, I don't really always expect them to go exactly to it. But if they come close to it, that's good for me. So I started to be short bias off the $85 solid dollar area, and look at the markets are dropping. You still in that short? On the deck?
Yep.
You must
About to start trailing.
Yep. So off this level, they came up to the ADR high band. So for me, that was just very sentiment. So I missed this trade because I was managing the ES trade, but I mean I should have the button on, but it's cool. And now the market is It's a beautiful thing, man.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
They,
Yeah, that's,
they, can
That
go on,
order canceled.
they can go on and take it. Yep.
yep.
Take that. Give me that.
Give me that.
Run that thing right back down to that this demand zone.
That's a fact.
So we up 163.18 in this account, y'all.
Mhm.
Look like RTY ain't done with them yet.
Let's see. Gotta put that result in here.
RTY, they still it look like they acting like they got some more sauce to give up.
They got somewhere to be. Got somewhere to be. ES new lows, 43.96.
That's what I'm saying, man. NASDAQ need to come on down and stop playing.
Oh, they
Stop filled.
what brick size you on for Naki right now?
18.3.
18.3. Yeah.
That's crazy though, man. Like, what is up with the NASDAQ? 86 points, man. What?
Yeah, that's weird. That's weird. The most volatile equity market not doing nothing. Well, let me not say not doing nothing because that sounds spoiled.
It ain't doing what it's supposed to do.
Right. Let me just log this out.
I just got into a RTY. I mean, a YM short.
Yep.
Or Ty. I know she about to say that's my boo too.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, you know we I gotta borrow your boo.
Hey, we not bullying them. Oh, we not bullying them, man. We not doing that. They a little nervous, I think. But it's all good. It's 27 ticks on the wrist.
YM dropping. NASDAQ about to, you know what? I ain't even about to move forward with the NASDAQ no more, man. Cause she acting real.
Big crying.
She acting real funky.
Uh,
I'm in this short though.
you short?
I'm in this short right here.
Mm-hmm.
We supposed to be having a tornado today, man. I don't know. It's real windy though. I ain't gonna lie. So if is it raining? Is it raining? Yeah, it's raining.
You said tornado? Or you been a hurricane?
Yeah. Nah, they said tornado.
Damn.
So yeah, they said tornado. When I'm on my walk this morning. Yeah, tornado watch until 3 p.m. CNN said tornado damage reported in Florida as millions remain at risk on Thursday. Man, listen, as long as they keep cutting these checks in the market, I don't care what they talking about.
Right.
If my internet go out, just know. All right, we got our, well, we got a supply zone now, and we got a notification to go short. So we're gonna go short. Open price 38.2. All of that up there is resistance. How can you not go short?
Right. Speaking of opening price, I changed all my opening ticks to 931, like you said, and it works better. So
Yeah,
head into that.
because even if you put at 930, that 1 minute price will change so much.
Yeah, I noticed it because at 929 I saw an opening tick, and then around like 30 seconds to go before the actual bell, I changed it to 931. Opening tick went away. At 9:30, opening tick appeared. I'm like, all right, that's it. So
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, let me.
Yep.
Order filled.
Alright. In that trade, we short on the Nasdaq. I feel like if the Nasdaq break this low, they gonna fucking fall, bro. Like,
Order filled.
Yeah, so
Like,
it's so weird that they not making them.
it's crazy, man. Like, what is going on?
Yeah, it's weird.
People talk about news, man. This is entertainment right here.
Yeah. All that TV, VH1, MTV, CME,
Right.
CBOT.
All that.
Yep. Man.
Did I get? Oh, okay. Got it.
There you
We
go.
just need 50. We just need 50 ticks, man. Give me 50. Where's 50 ticks at?
I'm about to say, what price you need 50 at?
We need 50 ticks. Man. Around this area.
Okay.
YM has moved 311 points, 405. It's a 20-day average. So we got some room to go if they want to go. And we are short back in the YM. But I will say that the YM is at a demand zone from yesterday, or the day before that too. It came down to this area, got bought up. Yesterday it came down to this area, got bought up again. Now we back here.
Yep.
3 times knocking at that door. It's another demand zone right up under it too.
How far down?
Right below it, like 20 points below it. Nasdaq is just acting like a fucking brat. I'm gonna have a talk with her ass. You gonna fuck around and get off the roster with these shenanigans.
Oh, you can't do that.
Listen, I'm trying to spare her, man, but she. Yes, I'm on YM. What I say? What I say? She gonna come in like, no, she on my YM. Nasdaq so funky, man. Can I add one more? If it decides to come down, I'm gonna place my stop though. I'm gonna turn my trend off and place my stop up here at the yesterday's high.
In the top of the zone.
Top of the zone, yesterday's high. It's gonna have to do something. It's gonna have to do something.
Okay.
To come get this. Oh, I got the price on. I ain't trying to. I want to look at ticks. If it choose to come back down, hopefully solid dollar will be resistance for it. But man, this thing, this, bro. I've never seen these markets act like this, bro.
Yeah.
I've never seen the Nasdaq act like this. Total opposite of all the other markets. No, I ain't never seen that before.
Yeah, this is it's never been like this. Like I definitely have seen some type of deviation from what it normally does, but not to this degree. Not to this degree.
It must be a tech company going crazy or something.
Mm-hmm.
Now the ES trying to make his way up.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's crazy, bro. Well, this trade just took all the profits. Took all the profits from today.
You still gonna short it?
I don't know at this point. I don't even know. So we down 134.
But you about to short it. Just so you know, I don't know if you know about it.
Yeah. We down 134 in this account. Yeah, this shit just weird, bro. Got to continue trading. You give me a new chair, man. Can't believe my baby acting like that today on me, man. Lame, man, baby.
She lame today.
Yeah, man, she acting crazy today. She coming to get child support. That's what's going on. That's crazy. They didn't slow down, man. They didn't slow down. You know what would be crazy though if the Nasdaq just fall out of nowhere and join the party.
Just drop. Yeah,
Just come join everybody. Like, all right, y'all, I'm just bullshitting, man. I'm back.
Oil making a drop.
I see. Down to the projected high on the 38.2.
Mhm.
I can't believe this little hoe, man.
But what I'll say is this, though. You definitely called out the support spot.
Yeah. I wasn't calling it out to go against me. Yeah. But like I say, you know, hindsight is always 2020. If you look back and you see, definitely been major support down there. Definitely should have been playing into the upside, but you never know. To be honest, like you never know. NASDAQ definitely ain't moved its range today, but it's trying to make new highs now.
Yep.
That's crazy, bro.
Crazy.
That's
And just like I
crazy.
said earlier, it'll be
Look, new highs.
wow.
That's crazy.
Stop, Phil.
Man. What's the I mean, we got a lot of divergence right now.
Order
Russell
fill.
is near the lows. We got the Dow still near the lows. We got the DAX shooting up. The divergence is crazy. But in these markets, expect anything to happen. Anything to happen at any time. I don't know. So that's how that go.
But we can't even trip because we just got to play the upside. But it ain't giving me nothing. It ain't giving me no pullback. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and break down the brick.
Yep.
Since they slowed down, I'm gonna break down the brick, get some more entries.
Mm-hmm.
Possibly.
That's a fact. He has 38.2 potential resistance on the next common handle on the upside. I'm in there. Stop where need to be.
Archie Watson, like it didn't slow down and stuck in this little area. All right, NASDAQ, you finally want to act right with your funky ass.
Damn.
Let's go.
Order fill.
All right.
To the upside with you if I get a button on long.
Yep.
Order fill.
Okay.
I'm gonna move my target. Just move that thing. Entry 4405. Oh, you just did the same thing. All right. So we got.
Hold on. What happened? What'd you say?
You move your target up. I did too.
Oh, yeah.
Want the whole thing to the up top. What's that?
All right, so at this moment we are we down 218. So we're just gonna keep going, gonna keep pushing. We can go ahead and enter again here. Again, like I say, we're gonna max 6 contracts per trade. That's our max. If this bar closes up, then we'll be in our sixth contract. Okay, YM, I see you.
Stop, Bill.
All right. Whoa. See what I'm saying? That's that bullshit. I ain't fucking with NASDAQ today.
Same thing with me with the ES. Yes.
Stop,
And I
Bill.
just
Ain't
called
that
out
something?
ratio resistance.
That's crazy, man.
Let's see. Here.
That's crazy how they just did me like that. Yesterday's high. What you gonna do there?
Yep.
You gotta keep playing it. Keep planning it in the direction.
That's a fact. Right.
How these markets are, man.
That's how these markets are. Yep.
That's crazy.
They're gonna have to do something special to hit my stop.
Some days it's short and sweet. Some days you gotta take some heat.
Let me see what they're doing.
I'm gonna count it down. I hope my power don't go out. I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, me too, bro. I'll be black as hell.
Oh damn! I think my.
Order filled.
All right, we in there.
Let me get another water.
Acting funky again. Hold on. Settle down.
Order filled.
Oh my God, man. I am not. All right, we're going to see something.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'm not playing that bad. Ratio.
You going outside in the rain, huh? You got wet? You got wet, huh? Get some treats. Yeah, this NASDAQ, man, acting real funky today. We're going to be down big today, messing with NASDAQ. And one more, we're going to be at max contracts.
Order filled.
All right, they at where they at.
Yeah, I didn't like that action. Should have waited for go time.
They gonna do, bruh.
Did not like that.
Order submitted.
Where? Oh, no, that wasn't supposed to be like that.
There you go. Ooh. All right. Let's go. Let's drop. Y'all can drop now.
They need to.
That's a fact. So I'm gonna put my screen up right quick and then go back to you. As you manage yours.
Go ahead, do your thing.
So I was waiting for correlation trade went back. I did take, and I mentioned the resistance level golden ratio 32. I marked it off on the chart. I took a karma entry. I should have waited for the go time. Go time gave me what I wanted. So, you know, I don't really consider it heat, but it was going against me for a second. And back up. I was at break even at this point. I'm like, hey, I just drew the resistance level. I saw the reaction. I saw the reaction of the stuff. So for me, I'm like,
Top filled.
so I said, you know, it's probably gonna happen again. The golden ratio is very strong. So let's not play with it. Got up out of there. Ticks. And I'll probably recap if it breaks. But if it does break, I will continue to be long biased on hitting. There you go. That's all I wanted to mention. 4 minutes for the net gas news, 34 minutes oil. Let's make sure we put that up. just so we know. Natural gas at 10:30. And I would have been crying. I'm crying on the recap now. Oil report 1180.
NASDAQ, what is you doing to me?
Damn.
Come on, sugar.
Yep. Auntie in the building. What's going on?
Oh, Auntie? What's up, Auntie?
Auntie in the building.
You got it, I mean? What's going on, Auntie? How you been? Oh.
Crying on the recap.
Top Phil.
Yeah, I'm done with NASDAQ for the day. We down 526 in this account, y'all. We done with that for the day. I'm in this RTY long though.
Yep.
So hindsight, man, I should have took the profit and put it where it's supposed to be at. Cause this was a 38.2 retracement back to the upside. You know, nothing is 100% how it's supposed to be, but our expectations is, you know, it is what it is. We did win on one of those trades, but I was hoping it would at least, you know, with this, for me, the way I'm looking at it, it's such a big drop from here. And then it coming back here, I'm looking at another flag to come down and go to the downside, but that didn't work out. So I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I don't know what the NASDAQ doing today. NASDAQ got me today.
Yeah.
NASDAQ got me today. See what I'm saying? Look what they doing. That's a double top. Look at that shit. Button on trend, man.
You taking a trend?
Taking a trend trade.
Order submitted.
All right, let's get it.
Button off. Last trade for the day.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna let that thing ride all the way out. I ain't playing with NASDAQ, man.
You don't got a trail in your trend.
Nope. I'm gonna attach this to the trend, and it's just gonna be what it is. Which one is it? Nope. Stop. Is that it? Yep, that's it.
No offset? No offset?
Yeah, I was just about to. God damn, nigga. Yeah, I can't even think fast enough. Offset. What we're doing? Is it minus? No, plus 2.
You would do plus 2. Yeah, or just 2. Yep. Yeah. There you go. Walk them down. Yo. Oh man.
Everybody playing with NASDAQ, man. That's a double top right there, y'all. See that mountain? Which is, bro, that shit's so crazy. Look at that. Hey, look at it. You see what I see?
The double top.
Look at the logo. Boom, 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 down.
Yeah, that's fire. Closing price. Potential support. Well, you think it's gonna drop?
Man, I ain't messing with NASDAQ, man. My risk is reduced. If they wanna come up and change the trend, they're gonna have to come change the trend. That's where my stop gonna be at.
Where your target at? Where you looking to shoot it down to?
The hell? Yeah. Nah, it's gonna have to change the trend and get me out.
Mm-hmm.
I mean to say she in Africa right now.
Yeah.
Hollywood away, Hollywood away, Hollywood away. What liquidity it's looking for? I think it went up and took liquidity up here.
Yeah, it did. Yes, it did. I believe that's buy side liquidity. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they gonna. Market just slowed down.
Order filled.
Natural gas news came out. That market ran crazy.
Oh,
And now it's dropping.
damn.
Yep.
We got Suki in the building too. What's up, Suki? I ain't heard from you in a month of Sundays. That's some throwback shit for you right there. A month of Sundays.
She said, "What up?"
She said, Pumbaa ass. What's Pumbaa ass?
Well,
My African singing. Oh no. That came from Jamie Foxx when he was doing a stand-up. And he was talking about was it Jamie Foxx? Yeah, Jamie Foxx stand-up. When he was talking about Africans and stuff. He was like, he was in a he was in an elevator with the African dude, right? And what happened? He was in the elevator with the African dude, right? And the African dude got on there. He was funky, right? So he like, man, say, what does that smell? African dude like, I don't smell anything. What are you talking about? And then Jamie Foxx was like, man, I end up, Jamie was like, he said, Jamie was like, so I end up farting on the elevator. And the African dude was like, what is that fragrance? Oh man, hey, that was funny, man. That was funny. Yeah. Yesterday's close looking like support for the NASDAQ. But like I say, if it's gonna come get me, it's gonna have to come get me at the trend line. I do want to add right here. I'm gonna add another two more contracts. Put it at the trend line.
Order filled.
So
Order
cancel
canceled.
these.
Order canceled.
I'm gonna add them together. All right. We're gonna attach them to the trend line. Two. And hey, I ain't gonna lie, after this, NASDAQ might be put on the shelf for a second because she been acting real snobbish, man. NASDAQ might be getting on the shelf after today. I ain't gonna say that though, because you know there's been times where she been great, you know what I'm saying? But she needs time out though after today, for real. She definitely need a time out.
Question for you. Once you win this trade, and another trend opportunity pops up, you gonna take that trade?
Nope.
All right.
Win or lose, this is it. This is it for this account. Win or lose, this is it.
Notice this thing. What happened to me? If you take a trade with the algo, and then you got to go ahead and cancel the orders and start to manage it. The algo will, even if you get out of that trade, the algo recognizes that you're still in the trade, so you got to reset it. I don't know if you realize that, but I did recently.
What you mean?
Like for instance, your first trade was a trend trade, right? With the algo.
Mm-hmm.
Then you took another trade, but your orders were all separated. So you canceled all the orders.
Yeah.
Let me manage.
I mean, ain't nothing to do.
All right. So if say you get stopped out right now and you wanted to go with a long trend, the algo for the trend right now will not work because it's still going to recognize that you're in a trade because it didn't come out of the trade with an algo order.
Oh, yeah, I ain't never experienced that.
Yeah. So what I would say right now is, like, hold on. Let's see what happens here.
I think RTY about to double bottom.
Wow.
RTY said, no, we ain't. Nigga, let's go.
Let's go.
RTY said, fuck you mean.
You short over there?
I'm short. Oh, where's Suki at? Suki still on here? Suki, you still there?
I'm not sure.
Oh, so I finally finished 75 hard. I'm about, I ain't got on the scale in a minute, but I'm about 30, 40 pounds down.
That's fire.
Come on with it. Walk him down. Walk him down. Come on back down here from where y'all got me at last time, lame ass.
Yeah.
Right, 61.8 bounce. I'm still short bias, man. They're gonna have to come get my stop. They're gonna have to change the trend.
Stop fill.
And that was RTY. Ain't that something?
Stop bill.
He came and got me though.
Golden ratio.
Golden ratio.
Right. So
By
look.
the time I looked at it, oh damn.
So check. Now go to your control center and go to that trend algo, and it's still gonna say you're unrealized. So even if you were able to take that uptrend trade, it wouldn't have put you in because the algo didn't get you out of the short.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
See what I'm saying? Yeah. Algo says unrealized. Yep.
All right, so yeah, we done with that trade, y'all. We down 577.18. So we done for the day in this account. I got other accounts that I'm still working with.
Yep.
I gotta get my MES account going today.
Yep.
So we're gonna see what's up. But we are red for the day. Total. Big green in one of my other accounts. Big red today. Not big red, but I'm down 500 and 2 other accounts. So small red today. Probably should have took that profit down there at the 61.8. But by the time I seen it, it was already making its way back up.
Market is quick.
And it was solid dollar down there too. So that was my fault. That was my fault. Should have been paying more attention to the chart, but it's okay. Come back tomorrow, more sharper, because as you can see here, I drew the trend line. It broke the trend line, but the support was down here at the 61.8 and solid dollar.
That's right.
But we took a small. I actually won on one of the contracts because one of the contracts I bought up here.
Right.
So I actually won on one of them. And the other one I took that trade really didn't. It was a minimized loss.
Yep.
And look at that big ass supply zone pop up.
Those are your indicators going off, right, on the news?
Yeah. It's crude oil inventory is coming in 10 minutes.
Broadcast through at least the oil report.
Huh?
Saying, should we broadcast at least through that report?
Yeah.
Order filled.
RTY just want to keep going short. Like that's what they want to do. Look at that shit. My NQ want to keep dropping. She said she finished late. You finished late too on the 25th. Congratulations. That shit was hard. On your first try? Hey, you know what's crazy though? My landlord was like, she said I started that. I did it. But she said she was like, she didn't make it all the way through. She think she said she did like 30 days.
It's tough.
Yeah, it's tough. Man. Hell no, my 5th try. I tried to talk y'all into doing it with me in January. I don't remember that. Did she?
She did.
Oh, yeah. I remember now. I remember now. 5th try. And I don't feel so bad now because it took me 3 tries. 3 tries though. But I would say for me, it was more so I made excuses for myself because I was traveling, going to see the kids back and forth to Cleveland, not being prepared and doing what I'm supposed to do. So it was just like, I ain't bring no walking shoes, no workout equipment. I mean, no workout gear. So yeah, I was making excuses for myself. Yes, you put on an Andy video for me. It's the first one I ever saw and started reading.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, I remember.
Yep. I think we started to do the Andy Frisella videos. And then he mentioned the 75 hard challenge. Yep.
Yeah.
Then I think there was a video that he said something y'all didn't like, and y'all told me like, "Yo, don't ever bring any videos."
Yeah.
I was like, "Yo, don't ever do that." Like, all right.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, he was like, hell no, I don't like him.
Word. Make sure my buttons are off. All right.
Oh yeah. So yeah, I mean he definitely is, but you know, it's to help push. You know, sometimes we can't pay attention to the messenger as long as the message is valid. You gotta roll with it. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
It's like, you know, like everything else. Having these systems that we do, we find out, you know, that the message that we got is a good message, but the messenger, you know, questionable.
Mm-hmm.
Man. My NASDAQ want to try to go back up.
Just on this chart, I'm putting NASDAQ on an 8-1 wick just to see what's up.
My nigga smoking dope.
I'm a crackhead.
I want to smoke some dope real quick. See what it hit for. Yeah, man, it definitely changed me, man. It definitely changed me. I would say that it's part of my routine now. Like this morning, I ain't gonna lie, I did not want to get up this morning. But I got up, I got out, it was hot as hell. I had this microwave on, and I was dripping. By the time I even got halfway down the street, it was just like, I felt, and I had on a regular shirt. Typically I would have on like a tank top up under, on a regular shirt. And man, that shirt was drenched by the time I got down to the beach. And man, I seen something crazy. I don't know if you seen my story, but I seen the stingray, because it was high tide, because of all of the wind or the so-called tornado or whatever. The tide was high, so the water was way up on the beach. I seen a stingray with a baby stingray on the back. Go look at my story on Instagram.
A stingray?
A stingray with a baby stingray on his back. I'm like, wow, I never seen nothing like that before. Earn Max, man, need to go ahead on with all these
Man.
fugazi ass emails, man. I don't understand how they even allowed to even do that. Ain't nobody still got paid out, have they?
Is that a stingray or is that a horseshoe crab?
That's a stingray.
That's a stingray? Okay.
All right, so
Oil.
oh, what's happening with oil?
Going crazy. For a second. A lot of jacking to the upside also.
Jackie trying to get up out this supply zone.
Oh, that was a dumb idea. I put the Daki on the 8-1 brick. My system was locked up now.
Damn.
I got a lot of days loaded.
Order filled.
Something's happening.
For what?
The Jackie's going crazy.
It needs to go crazy. What a funky ass. It ain't going crazy. It's just you got it on a small brick.
That's what I'm saying. I think it's just because I got it on the 8-1. Yep. Let me see. Yeah, I gotta shut that one down and then come back. X. Do I want to save the workspace? I don't. Do not want to save the workspace. All right, so
Order filled.
okay. So now, platform back on.
Order filled.
Yeah, bro, those are horseshoe crabs.
That ain't no horseshoe crab, nigga. That's a stingray. You ain't see it on the back? You wanna see the baby stingray on the back? Oh no, okay. All right, so I just thought about it. You may be right, because the stingray don't have a hard shell. Horseshoe crab. Let me see.
Horseshoe crab. Those are stingrays.
Oh yeah, you're right. My bad.
All good.
Well, it definitely had a baby on the back though.
Yeah, it did.
Definitely had a baby on the back though.
Yeah, that shit look weird.
That was crazy. That was crazy.
Yeah, that shit weird.
Stop filled.
Definitely had a baby on the back though.
Mm-hmm. Finally got my chart back up. Okay. All right, now I gotta go and press action out. Put that on. Put that on. Put that on. And a trim. Put that on.
Horseshoe crab.
Okay.
I ain't never seen that before, bro. Look like a stingray though. Like it's.
Yeah.
No, stingray look different.
It got the shape of it, but the stingray still got a
hard shell.
Yeah.
Wow. I wonder, can you pick them up? I wonder, can you pick them up?
Hold on. Let me turn this down. Say that one more time.
I'm saying, I wonder, can you pick them up?
Oh, yeah, I know. I never tried. Damn, Russell just made a new low. Down. You know what they're doing? DS coming up off that.
Order filled.
Oh. As soon as this is over with, I'm going out to the backyard to do my other workout. Got me some resistance bands.
For your legs,
But no, I got the ones that got the handles on them. Well, I got handles, and I got the one you can strap around your ankle. So it's full body joint.
Yep. Make sure everybody.
All right, Dacky, you trying to come down? I see you.
Order filled. Top filled.
Oh my God! It it literally said boop and came right back down. These markets is crazy, man.
Yep.
Crazy.
Market will do it to you.
All right, man. I think that's a wrap for the day, man. I'm gonna stop the live. Keep the what's name going though.
Yep.
All right, so yeah, the 8. That's it for the day, y'all. Today was a red day on the road to fund it. It's all good. We're gonna come back tomorrow and keep the day going. I'm gonna give you an update. I'm gonna give y'all an update on how much drawdown we got left after today, and you know what our projections is gonna be moving forward. So appreciate everybody that came through, everybody who here. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so on and so forth. And with that, we out.
Order filled.
Yep.